Walk with me, come and see from my view, you can talk to me. Find what I've been through is that hard living. I don't think you got a clue what you got given, what you got given. Walk with me, come and see from my view, you can talk to me. Find what I've been through is that hard living. I don't think you got a clue what you got given, what you got given. I really changed from back in the day. I done came a long way from minimum wage, no more hitting the licks, lost my criminal ways. Since I went legit doing something that pays, no more bricks. I'm past the stage, stay free, live out my days, doing what I want instead of stuck in a cage. If you see me on stage, best believe I got paid. I got mouths to feed with my generous ways. Thanks to my parents for the way I was raised. Hey, so apparent how I conducted my ways. Leave room to debate. Moves been big cause my name hold weight. If you knew how big, then you know I'm straight. It ain't easy where I live, street covered in stakes. Handshakes mean nothing, most niggas is fake. Walk with me, come and see from my view, you can talk to me. Find what I've been through is that hard living. I don't think you got a clue what you got given, what you got given. Walk with me, come and see from my view, you can talk to me. Find what I've been through is that hard living. I don't think you got a clue what you got given, what you got given. Camo. How y'all feeling? We gotta smoke some weed. Where that blunt go? Where the blunt go? Yeah. It's alright, got my thoughts quick. Anything I want, especially like to talk slick. I'm not a rapper, only game I spit. Another chapter in the life I live. It is what it is, I'm not a thing, got nothing to give. It's on push and shove like a couple of kids. When I walk in the crib, been gone for a minute after serving a bid. Damn, to the fast life, money for the world, so I gotta get my cash right. Future looking dark, couldn't see it with a flashlight. Living for the moment, I'm just building off of last night. Can't lose focus on my dreams, gotta hold tight. You ain't noticed, motivated to get it right. Shit I used to be on now, I don't like. The old me, dead and gone, out of sight. R.I.P. to the thug life and gunfights. Just a load of smoke weed and love life. Smoke weed and love life. Smoke weed and love life. R.I.P. to the thug life and gunfights. Just a load of smoke weed and love life. Smoke weed and love life. Yeah. Smoke weed and love life.
I'm done with the shit that was holding me back. You know I rap to keep it real when you had no clue where to find it. At the seconds from custom yak, I call it my party pack. The only way to forget the problem out of my thug life. All the nights I had to hustle. No, I got it clutch tight. Gotta put up in the issue. You don't know the shit I've been through. More by the way you operate, I can't forget it. I was told when I was young to go off and get it near it. Sometimes I feel they don't hear me. If not, that's cool. They still gonna watch my move. Smoke weed and love life, that's what we do. I had to, cause all these all running 1,000 miles an hour just to focus. Need the blood in the bottle, not to be bothered. The limit in the amount of time to get this bottle with or without it. Gang to hit, yeah, we give you the product worth. Every single dollar worth. Some things to the shit I forgot about it was caught up like
R.I.P. to the thug life and gunfights. Just as long as I smoke weed and love life. Smoke weed and love life. Smoke weed and love life. R.I.P. to the thug life and gunfights. Just as long as I smoke weed and love life. Smoke weed and love life. Smoke weed and love life. I hope y'all smoke weed.
Y'all a dope ass crowd.
Love your motherfucking life.
Dope ass people up in this motherfucker.
Y'all motherfuckers high as fuck. I know y'all can't move, but y'all gotta enjoy this shit.
Hey, real shit.
We about to do this.
Some of y'all been zombied out on that wax all day, huh? Drab it.
Hey. You can tell when a motherfucker got his shit right. You know why? He got his shit right. You know why? Stay on my shit. Because I walk it like I talk it. Because I stay on my shit. Y'all feeling this? Stay on my shit. Because I walk it like I talk it, cause I stay on my shit. Because I walk it like I talk it, cause I stay on my shit. Because I walk it like I talk it, cause I stay on my shit. Because I walk it like like I talk. Grinding cause I'm supposed to do. Known for making power moves. Flossing when I rolling through. Diamonds, white, yellow, blue. Yeah, I'm stunting on your haters only cause I'm able to. Paper got me looking good, life is so incredible. Plus I got that medical in them edibles. Nothing but that top shelf, put it on a pedestal. Y'all on misdemeanor level, mine's on federal. Dear state time, I ain't mad cause I'll never know what a nigga really on. Way past pushing zones, get how I live it. Put my whole city on with plugs on the west coast, where they got that gun smoke. I ain't talking pistols, got that fire from them white folk. Don't call it slanging dope, it's called distribution. I deal with 5 niggas and they'll get it to ya. We out here doing things, what I call boss maneuver. My people well connected, who you know is so crucial. Stay on my shit, because I walk it like I talk it, cause I stay on my shit. Because I walk it like I talk it, cause I stay on my shit. Because I walk it like I talk it, cause I stay on my shit. Because I walk it like I talk it, cause I
Game Spittin' Entertainment. I'm not a rapper. I'm a game spitter.
Big Ben. Don't like what I say, keep minding your business and stay out my way. You never gon' get it to hear my lyrics. The will I spit it, I get in your brain. Feeling the lyric of Tupac and Biggie, I get it, I'm different but feeling the same. There with no limits, no fear in my veins. Can't feel no joy if I'm feeling no pain. Nothing to lose and nothing to gain. As I improve, so subject to change. My plans be simple and plain. No longer focus on fortune and fame. The life that I'm living, I'm trying to maintain. Used to have visions of being the main. Same that I made, I'm doing it again. Except that I'm prison invested in change. Since they got me now, they know all my name. Best option is to get out the game. Easy to say when you getting paid, but once you a felon, it don't work that way. System is set up to make you a slave. All of your freedom is taken away. If you don't obey, they'll lock you away. Trust me, I know what I've been in that cage. Lost so many days, time with my kids I'll never replace. Do what I do, ain't gotta be great. As long as I'm here, my family's straight. Never ever will I be in that place. Fast money, don't cover no breaks. I know better not living that way. Living that way. Don't like what I say, keep minding your business and stay on my way. You never gon' get it to hear my lyrics. The realer I spit it, I get in your brain. Feeling the spirits of true, I get it, I'm different but feeling the same. Living no limits, no fear in my veins. Can't feel no joy if I'm feeling no pain.
Feeling the same, you can't see the then you go deep with the rain. I feel it begin, feel it with jealousy and being always so empty with pain. The empathy rain, shame. Not in the doubt to the things you claim. Ain't feeling the same, show no remorse or acoustics and willing your brain. Some feels and some trust. Think you're realistic and barely maintain. I know cause I didn't forget it. Just finding the niggas just spitting my way to the bank. The slippers of death, I live my thing. And if you ain't with it, I'm drawing a blank. I'm building you pick when I always got range. You tripping, you think you can hang. I feel like Bill Gates, I got Kanye. But when you talking, can't tell me a thing. Breaking this sauce and I'm on my sleeve, bossing so cold and I'm tossing these fingers your way. Don't do the mocking, so watch who you knocking. With fingers appointed for blame, appointing my name. Got coins to obtain, I'm Tony Montana, be wonderful game. Don't like what I say,
keep minding your business and stay out my way. You never gon' get it to hear my lyrics. The realer I spit it, I get in your brain. Tupac and Biggie, I get it, I'm different but feeling the same. Living no limits, no fear in my veins. Can't feel no joy if I'm feeling no pain. Y'all still smoking? Y'all smoke over blunts? Smoking and pouring now. We smoking and pouring now. Smoking and pouring now. We smoking and pouring now. Smoking and pouring now. We smoking and pouring now. It's about to go down. Got haters around, but really don't give a fuck. We throwing a party about to go ham. Ain't letting nobody, especially no haters, fuck up our plan. We pop bottles steady pouring up. That Colorado got me high as fuck. Autopilot, I stay up, going all night. Neighbors hate us. Can't stop, won't stop. You call cops, them goes lock. Nobody coming in without a warrant. They can keep knocking, but still gonna ignore. This is our party, so gotta enjoy. Fuck what they talking, they about to destroy. They got a problem, come back in the morning. It's drinking on out. All of them thinking it's about to go down. It might be a weekend, but that's a good reason to smoke up a pound. I know we some goals, the prices be lower, be holding me down. Smoking on potent session in motion, so pass it around. We rolling extendo, ain't got no end zone. My head in the cloud, luck I'm down right now, I don't know. Straight all in my zone, smoking and drinking till everything gone. So fuck what you thinking, I do what I want and we're setting the tone. Smoking and pouring up, we smoking and pouring up. Smoking and pouring up, we smoking and pouring up. Smoking and pouring up, we smoking and pouring up. It's my favorite town, got haters around, but really don't give a fuck. Might fuck around and get rich, come ride with a nigga like this. If you're the trust, take risks, I got plenty more benefits. Might fuck around and get rich, come ride with a nigga like this. If you're in the trips, take risks, I got plenty more benefits. Might fuck around and get rich, come ride with a nigga like this. If you're in the trips, taking risks, I got plenty more benefits. Might fuck around and get rich, come ride with a nigga like this. If you're in the trips, taking risks, I got plenty more benefits. Better make a bitch and break a bitch, need a go-getter, not a lazy bitch who on her own ain't taking shit. I'ma show her how it ain't making sense. Go check the check, trying to pay that rent. Change your life, make it all past tense.
Make it all past tense.
All past tense.
Yeah.
Came home, got mass appeal, my hunger strong and that's for real. Like the paper chase, state to state, ain't no taking breaks, so we can chill. Shit I'm on, takes time to build. Later on, once we climb this hill, make your dreams really feel so real. So by any means, let's seal the deal. I fuck around and get rich. Come ride with a nigga like this. If you're in the trips, taking risks, I got plenty more benefits. Might fuck around and get rich. Come ride with a nigga like this. If you're in the trips, taking risks, I got plenty more benefits. Might fuck around and get rich. Come ride with a nigga like this. You're in the trips, taking risks, I got plenty more benefits. Might fuck around and get rich. Come ride with a nigga like this. You're in the trips, taking risks, I got plenty more benefits.
I've been in the mood for a little relaxing, passion in your eyes, your thighs and ass and transcend. Come and kick it with a plan, you see the bad dish, you beat for daddy, and a rocket boat. I could go all night.